then how do you define of the insult of Islam? So maybe when we say the people who in the Jakarta insult the Islam, so unconsciously maybe we what else belong to belong to the Islam too. So I don't know what the true of and definition of the insult of Islam.
Unconditional, yeah.
Yeah, so
Maybe define themselves of Islam based on the ijma, right? So
Ijma.
so if ijma is say this kind of remarks or saying that you can harm or can be defined as an insult for Islam. So we as Muslims should take firm action for that kind of bad behavior. For example, in remarks and saying as term to be insult of Islam, like in Jakarta that happened, and then mostly most Muslim also if they abandon salat is also insult, but unconsciously, right?
Yes.
Unconsciously. That's all. I think that's all.